The BMW M3 Touring CS is an upcoming high-performance station wagon that blends practicality with extreme performance, making it a highly anticipated model for enthusiasts who want both speed and utility. This special edition of the M3 Touring builds on BMW's motorsport legacy while incorporating cutting-edge technology, lightweight materials, and an aggressive powertrain setup. At the heart of the BMW M3 Touring CS is a 3.0-liter inline-six twin-turbocharged engine, an evolution of the standard M3's powerplant. This unit produces an impressive 550 PS, 542.5 bhp or 405 kilowatts at 6,250 rpm and a maximum torque of 650 Nm, 479 lb-ft between 2,750 and 5,950 rpm. These figures allow the M3 CS Touring to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h, 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, with an electronically limited top speed of 300 km/h, 186 miles per hour when equipped with the optional xDrive S package. This performance is made possible by BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, which offers adjustable settings to provide a balance between traction and a rear-wheel drive feel. The system can be configured to a 4WD Sport mode, which biases more power toward the rear wheels, or even 2WD mode, which fully disengages the front axle for a purist rear-wheel drive experience. The transmission in the M3 CS Touring is an 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic gearbox that ensures rapid and seamless gear shifts. This gearbox, designed to handle the high torque output, features multiple driving modes that adapt to different driving styles, from comfortable daily commuting to aggressive track driving. BMW's adaptive M suspension comes standard, providing electronically controlled dampers that adjust in real time to road conditions and driver inputs. The suspension geometry has been fine-tuned to enhance responsiveness and stability, ensuring that the M3 CS Touring delivers